I am really sorry, Polygon holder, to see this. Absolutely, the change occurred from last 7 days, last 24 hour, last 1 hour. Exactly, the coin is completely fails down, very badly dumps down, and absolutely all holders starting selling. So exactly, my friend, this is selling time because especially the price is completely and the losting, and I think 1 or 2 days they will take, my friends, but there the price come to $1 dollar from $2 dollar, my friend. It's a very bad dump, my friend. But kindly holder, what I tell you in this video after prediction, absolutely you better understand. But kindly, before you take any decision, please research personally. I just advise you, my brother. So let's get started this brand video. But kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, as you can see, my friend, this time the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and as you can see, this chart is completely showing to the coin is completely fails down. But as you can see, my friend, this fails, after this fails they will take a jump, after this fails they will take a jump, after this fails they will take a jump. So it's mean, my brothers, to after fails every cryptocurrencies will take a jump. So if you invest for a short time, it's absolutely Polygon is not for you, because they cannot give you a good profit in short time. Because, my brother, this coin when they fails down, so absolutely they will very highly face down. But if they take a jump, so they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I will tell you, my brother, so if you want to invest for a long time, so definitely Polygon is going to be very good now. And I hope after this fail, if 1 week they fails down, so I hope in the next week they will move upward. So therefore from last month, my friend, all currencies just fails down, but one of the unique Polygon is only moving upward now. So therefore I will tell you to, if you want to invest for a long time, so definitely don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. See you next time, Polygon holder. My opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, and let's see to what they do. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.